Onrain de okane o kosegu ho. How do you make money online? Now, there's a lot of ways people talk about making money online. You can make money with Amazon, selling products on Amazon. You can make money by consulting with people, calling people up or meeting people to talk about, give marketing services. You can you can become famous on social media networks such as Instagram or YouTube. But what I'm going to show you in this free training is how to use nothing more than a computer to make money online with nothing more than a laptop or a desktop computer, how you can make money online. Now, in my business, I'm earning, just to show you, you don't know me from Adam, but I'm earning over $10,000 every single day. This is real money. This is the amount of money I earn in my business. Whether I do anything, it doesn't matter. I will earn this money every single day. And I want to invite you to a training where I will be giving this to you as a gift just for attending the free training. Now, check this out. This is my dashboard. And just to show you, this is the amount of money. This is from one of my accounts. And you'll see, last month, I earned over $339,000 US dollars. This month, I've earned over $2,999 US dollars. And I barely do a thing. This will keep happening no matter what. Now, I'd like to invite you to this training where I'm going to show you exactly what I do in my business and how you can too. And in fact, I am so extremely excited about this information because the education system has lied to us. That's what you have to understand. And I'm excited to show people the truth that I will be giving this money away to you as a gift for taking your life into your own hands. So there will be a link somewhere above or below or to the side of this video where you can register for the free training. Make sure you register. There are limited seats available, and this training is only going on for a limited time. So I look forward to seeing you on the training and talk to you soon.